What is going on, Savannah? How are you, lady?
I'm good. How are you, Bryce?
I'm too blessed to be stressed, a little tired, but I'm ready to go jump by the pool. And heck, we got Q&A coming up here. So, Savannah, do me a favor. Tell somebody that's watching this, like who you are, what market you're in, and how long have you been doing real estate?
Yes. So my name is Savannah Schroeder. I'm in the Nashville market, and I also kind of jump over into North Carolina sometimes. I've been in real estate tangentially for the past about 3 years, working with a construction company, kind of doing some flips and property management before getting into my own deals.
Nice. Let's talk about that. Talk about your own deals. So, how long have you been doing quote unquote your own deals, and how long have we been working together?
Yeah, we've been working together almost a year. I would say about 9 or 10 months
Yeah,
now.
9 or 10 months.
Um,
Yeah.
Yeah, so I did a lot of marketing for my own deals before meeting you and Kyle. And now I didn't actually close any of my own deals until we started working together. So that's been,
I love that. I love that. So you've been at this for almost 3 years between your previous company and then out on your own. And now in the last like 9 months, working with Kyle and I in the REI Results Academy. Tell us about your experience. What have you experienced now that you've got some support and backing now?
yeah. So working with REI Results, I really just went all in. So things were kind of slowing down at my property management job. And it was just a good transition time when I met you all. And so I just jumped all in and started marketing your way, started trusting the process, learned a lot about conversations. The biggest thing for me has been mindset. So I think, and that was probably what held me back for so long, is even though I knew a lot about real estate, I knew a lot about, having conversations, just not the right kind. But I think underneath it all was that I just didn't really believe I could do it. And so that's been the biggest thing for me since working with you and Kyle is just changing my mindset, believing that I can, and then just doing it every single day, just boldly taking action.
Trusting the process. I love it, right? And I think that's one thing that I love about coaching you and the others in the academy is like every other program out there just like convolutes it, overcomplicates it. We just keep it stupid simple for the results, you
Yeah.
know? Uh, Tell us a little bit about your results. 9 months, never had done a deal prior on your own, and now you're doing deals like crazy. Like, how many
Mhm.
deals have you done over the last like 7, 8, 9 months?
Gosh, I've gotten a few deals under contract, moved forward with a few of those. I kind of lost track. Some of them, just kind of shake out. But the thing that's been biggest for me is that I've also learned a lot of creative deals and really just so in addition to doing some wholesale deals and getting things under contract and moving forward, I've also put a few creatively together. I did a flip and also acquired my first two rentals, kind of two on one property. So one's a long term already rented and one's about to be a short term rental. So
First world problems, 9 months in, hadn't done anything before, and you've tried, and
yeah,
now you've got two rentals, you've got a flip under your belt, another flip done and sold, right? Like, and a
yeah,
couple that have even fallen apart. Like,
yeah.
you've gotten your money's back and then some. Let's talk about that. Like, how do you feel that? Like, what do you when I tell you there's an investment to come work with Kyle and I? Like, talk to me about that. Like, how did that make you feel, and was it worth the investment?
Yeah. So honestly, knowing that there was an investment up front actually gave me confidence. Made me feel like, oh, this isn't something I want to do. It made me feel like this is something that's worth it. And
Mm,
so making that initial commitment, even though I was at a point in my life where I was kind of just losing my job in the middle of 2020 and also no deals under my belt, kind of just realizing it's either now is the cross point to make a decision or not. And so I just went all in because this is where I want to be. So
I love it. I love it. Thank you for sharing that. So somebody's on the fence and they're listening to Savannah, like, I don't know if I can do this. I'm on the fence. There's 3 or 4 other programs I'm looking at. Savannah, what do you tell them, and who do you send them to?
Bryce and Kyle, hands down. You guys are the real deal, legit. And I've worked with other coaches before. So to anybody listening and thinking about it, I know, I know what's out there. I know what it's like other places, and nobody is like working with Bryce and Kyle. Y'all have been a complete game changer in my personal life, my business life, and also my family life. And so in just 9 months. So really appreciate you.
I love that. I love that. And I appreciate that, Savannah. At the end of the day, this isn't about me. Real estate's a vehicle. We get to share and teach our experiences, our wins, our failures. I'm curious, one of the things that Kyle and I set out to do is not just get somebody their first deal, but actually show them that there's a path to a sustainable, scalable business. When I say that, what does that kind of make you think? And how do you feel about the REI Results Academy when it comes to like not just starting, but scaling?
Yeah, that's actually something that I really love about working with REI Results Academy. I feel like y'all look at not just me in business, but a whole person and a whole business. And it is about like a lifestyle that's sustainable. And so I think just trying to think of some of the things we focus on. It's not just, you get a deal under contract and then you wholesale it. Like I knew that ahead of time and I still couldn't do it. So it's about all the other little things that actually get you across the finish line over and over and over again. And I think I mentioned earlier, one of the biggest things to me, and I love that REI Results focuses on it, is mindset and limiting beliefs and pushing through those, because I truly think that's the biggest hindrance for a lot of people, and it was for me. My name is Savannah Schroeder, and I endorse REI Results Academy.